Did you know the most powerful king in Israel once threw a tantrum like a toddler because he couldn't buy a vineyard? King Ahab ruled all of Israel, but he wanted one thing he couldn't have: his neighbor Naboth's small vineyard right next to his palace. Ahab offered to buy it or trade other land for it, but Naboth said no. Selling his family's land would break God's law and dishonor his ancestors. So what did the mighty king do? He went to bed, turned his face to the wall, and refused to eat. The ruler of an entire nation was pouting like a child. His wife, Queen Jezebel, wasn't having it. She wrote fake letters using Ahab's name and seal. She paid witnesses to lie about Naboth in court, accusing him of cursing God and the king. The staged trial worked perfectly. Naboth and his sons were dragged outside the city and stoned to death. But when Ahab went to claim his prized vineyard, the prophet Elijah was waiting with a chilling message from God. Dogs will lick your blood in this very spot.